In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a file in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to swap in an updated file while keeping the same link and sharing settings, which is perfect for things like updated PDFs, images, or videos that others already have access to. First, sign into Google Drive in your web browser so you're in the account that owns or has edit access to the file you want to update. Once you're in, find the file you planned to replace. If your drive is crowded, use the search bar at the top or filter by file type to narrow it down. It helps to preview the file to make sure you've got the exact one that's already shared or linked elsewhere. Next, right-click the file. On a trackpad, that can be a two-finger click, and on some devices you can use the three-dot More Actions menu instead. From that menu, select File Information to open the Details panel, and then choose Manage Versions. This option is especially useful for non-Google file types, things like PDFs, images, zip archives, videos, and Microsoft Office files, because it lets you stack newer versions on top of the existing file without changing its link. In the Manage Versions window, click Upload New Version. This tells Drive you want to keep the same file in the same place, but with fresh content. Now select the updated file from your computer. It can have the same name or a different name. Drive will still attach it as the newest version of that existing file. For best results, choose the finalized copy you intend to share. If you're replacing a PDF, for example, export the latest PDF from your editor first, so you're uploading the polished version. Keeping the file type consistent helps ensure the preview and download experience stays the same for your viewers. You'll see the upload progress, and once it completes, the file in Drive is immediately updated. The link doesn't change, your sharing permissions stay intact, and anyone who had access will now see the new content. Behind the scenes, Drive keeps the older version, so if you ever need to reference it, version history has you covered. That's all there is to it. Sign into Drive, locate your file, right-click, open file information, go to Manage Versions, choose Upload New Version, and pick the updated file from your PC. It's a quick, reliable way to keep your files current without breaking links or resharing. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.